Right, so next up we've got a question regarding completion of the statement of comprehensive income. Now I've tried to include both screens here, both pieces of paper, so that you can see those. I hope that's coming through okay on the video. So let's take a look at completing this. So Bella's Beanbags has completed its first year of trading. The following financial information has been provided for you to complete Bella's Beanbags statement of comprehensive income. So we can see that we've got cash sales, so that's obviously something we've got to include within our revenue. We've got credit sales, which also need to be included within our revenue there as well. Let's firstly just put those down. Now again, if you want to complete this on your own, please pause the video now and just go for it. All right, so let's take a look. 37,596 plus 1,500, there it is, 39,096, so we can put that one in. 39,096, looking good. Next up, we've got to work out our cost of sales figure. No, they've done that for us. So we've got cost of materials purchased there. Okay, that's fine. We've also got discount allowed rent. Okay, fine. Let's have a look at this additional information before we move on any further. Bella's Beanbags has non-current assets of an industrial sewing machine and a trailer which together originally cost $2,835. She has decided to depreciate her non-current assets by 20% using the straight line method. So let's just put that in by the side, 2835, and let's multiply that by 0.8, which will take away that 20%. Yeah, fine. Actually, that's my mistake. I don't want to do that because we're not doing the balance sheet here. 2835, we want to multiply by 0.2. So that's 567. So we know that we've got to allow depreciation of 567. So let's just put that in over here. Depreciation, excuse my writing here. So we've got depreciation of 567. Fine. We've also got rent of £280 has been paid in advance for the next financial year. Okay, so we can actually deduct £280 from that rental cost. So let's just do that, and then we can add that in. Minus 280 equals 2,080. So we've got our rent to actually make 280, and there it is. Okay, 2080, of course I mean. Okay, that's looking all right. So what else do we need to factor in here? Well, we've also got to consider this discount allowed that we've included here. So there is that discount. Now, just notice when we've got our wages, well, the wages is already included, so we don't want to double count that. The trade payables, well, yeah, that goes on the statement of financial position, of course. And then we've got this figure for utilities. Now that is also included on our sheet here. So we've got that information already included. So therefore we don't need to worry so much about those ones. So I'm just going to put a little line through those so I know that those are factored in. But we do need to put that discount allowed. So let's just put that in. So discount. Okay, and that was amounting to what, 120. Okay, right, fine. So let's now complete the rest of this statement of comprehensive income. Now, again, you might just want to have a go right now using the information that I've so far completed to actually have a go at completing this yourself. So pause the video now if you want to do that. Otherwise, let's move it on. So we've got 39,096 minus this 13,575. So let's take that away. So therefore, that gives us 25,521. Okay, so 25,521. Then we've got wages, which is 18,900. Okay, because I'm just looking ahead at completing this totaling expenses part. Okay, so we got the wages, we've got the utilities, we've got the depreciation at 567. We've got the rent at 2080. Okay, and then we've also got the discount that's allowed there. So let's factor that in. So that's coming out at what, 22,048. Okay, nice one. So let's now do our profit for the year, or net profit calculation, and let's just put in what that is so we can actually kind of show that we understand this terminology. So you might put net profit for the year, or you might put net profit, that's fine. Just notice wherever there's a shaded area, you've got to include some sort of information. Okay, so just be aware of that, okay, to make sure that you really pick up all the marks. So we've got 25,521. Okay, 25,521 minus 22,048, then that gives us 3,473. Okay, looking pretty good. Great stuff.